Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Oracle Linux 10. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, scroll down, then select MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.43, select it, then select the OS version, RHL or Oracle Linux, then select OS version. See here we don't have the Oracle 10, but select the Oracle Linux 9. See, once we selected it, populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. Instead of downloading these RPM packages, just download this RPM and so click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 900 megabytes. Wait until download completes. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. Once download completes, then we will untap the star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Oracle Linux 10. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.43. We have to untar the star file, tar-exf, then MySQL, then give the tab to autofill entire RPM package name, hit enter, ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. Sudo Ctrl L, sudo rpm -ivh no deps, then star no deps, then star.rpm. What this command will do, this command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, now we are installing MySQL Server 8.0.43. See, we have successfully installed. Now Ctrl A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Hit enter. See, MySQL Server is started. Now connect to MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, you must have the password of any MySQL user account. We don't have, so but we can get the MySQL user root account temporary password by going to more/var log mysqld.log, then grep password. We must run this with sudo. See, this is a MySQL user root account temporary password. Okay, but we have to set the permanent password by running sudo mysql _secure _installation. Then we have to provide this temporary password. Copy this one. This is not same for you. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now we have to set the permanent password. Remember this password, confirm the same. Change password, no again. Remove anonymous users, yes. No. Remote test database. Reload previous, yes. All done. We have successfully set the password for root account. Ctrl A. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password that we have set. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 8.0.43. We can also verify the same by running select version. See, we have connected to MySQL Server version 8.0.43. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create database. Ctrl A, create database, provide the name of the database. Now verify the same. See, we have created database bank. Okay, now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the command use, then provide the name of the database. Now create a table. Now verify the same. see here we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now we will create user. Before that, verify the list of the users that comes with MySQL installation. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create user David identified by whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, new user David is created. Now exit from the current session and create a and log in with this new user. MySQL -u, new username is David -p. Then provide the password of this user. Password wrong. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have logged in with the user David. Okay, now try to access the database that you have created. Use, then provide the name of the database. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but you haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Oracle Linux. So command is sudo systemctl stop mysqld. Provide the password of sudo user. Verify the same. See, MySQL server is stopped. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -b. Provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start mysqld. See, MySQL server is started. Okay, if you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart mysqld. See, we have successfully restarted. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server by using the most popular tools like MySQL Workbench or DBWare. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench on Oracle Linux. So ls these files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed MySQL server. rm star.rpm. This command will delete all rpm packages from the current directory. ls, see here we have one more file, remove it. My rm mysql, press the tab to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.0.43 on Oracle Linux 10.